This vlog is a travel vlog. We're going to New York. Big Apple, baby.
So a lot of my clips are from Josh vlogging because I was not as good of a vlogger as him. So if you hear him kind of talking and explaining things, it is because I just didn't do a good job vlogging this week.
We're here! Ah, it's crazy. Shawna's trying to book us an Uber. They're here now.
Seems like AirG is the only spot that it's letting me select anyways, so I don't know if that's where we're to, but it selected burger at Madison's Burger. I was really disappointed in the car trying to get pictures. All the dreams come true.
Me and Mom are splitting the burger. It's halfway through the day and we have dinner soon, so we figured this is probably the best route. Seems rather good.
Oh, thank you.
Shawna's got a poutine.
It's disco fries.
It's a poutine.
It's not a poutine, apparently. It's disco fries.
Oh man, it looks like a poutine to me.
It looks like cheese with a side of fries.
You look handsome on camera. That doesn't seem so far back. I look distraught. Look at my face, so pale. We're trying to figure out how to get to Tiffany's. How's it going?
We haven't found it.
No, we have not found it.
I see a coach.
I do see a coach.
See a coach and a tag A Hilo.
There's the coach.
My sister is a Gucci model.
It was really just right there. Josh wanted full reaction.
How's everybody?
Thus far, you're the most exciting part of his New York trip.
Yeah, good to see you too, Shawna. And you too. Yeah, how's everybody been?
I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the mood.
Hello vlog. I have not vlogged a lot where I've talked to the camera. Josh has been doing a much better job. But we are at the hotel just taking a tiny break to use the bathroom and get cleaned up. And then we are going back out to do some shopping. Last night we went to Wicked. Cue Wicked footage.
So supper was delicious. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling 100% fantastic, but that's okay. It's so nice seeing Hef. Oh my God. He's actually gone to a bar right now for a drink, and we're gone to Wicked. It's me and Katie. Where's Katie? It's me and Katie and Sean here right now for the viewing of Wicked. And then Hef's gone off to a bar, and Mom and Kayla are seeing Aladdin. So it's pretty good. We're just getting in here now. I can't wait to see the show.
Oh, the ones I saw last time.
That looks so good.
Wow, well, we just got out of Wicked. That was insane. Who did Alphaba again? What's her name? Was it Lindsay?
Lindsay Pierce.
Lindsay Pierce played Alphaba. My lord. Wow, that was so impressive. Apparently she was also on the Glee project, Shawna was telling me. Very, very, very cool, I gotta say. Really enjoyed it. We got some taxi cabs here in the form of carts, just scalping as you would, proper thing. Hef's drinking at a bar somewhere. Mom and Kayla are I don't know where. So yeah, we're gonna find them. Wow, look at this.
Okay, while Katie's coordinating with them, you're gonna have to check with her.
And we went to Stardust Diner and listened to a lot of great performances there, which was also dope. So
do a swan song experience. So I hope you enjoy it. I really hope I remember all the words. Here we go.
So cool.
Do you hear that playing? Yes, you hear that playing. Do you know who's playing? The
So today we are already out for brunch and did a little bit of shopping. Welcome to the morning vlog.
Well, you're on a bug of scary.
I don't know how I looked there from that
No,
angle,
me and Dave and Leslie.
Good morning, good morning. We are at Balthazar. Balthazar.
Yeah.
That bacon? Oh, so good. How's the sandwich, Mom?
It's delicious. It's fantastic.
What? Do whatever you do. Homemade bread or something.
Hef's is gone.
Let me walk you through. We got some French toast, Tahitian vanilla, smoked bacon, a beautiful powdered sugar, and
Kind of
syrup,
helping just in my hand.
and citrus.
I like it here.
Really good.
The eggs Benny.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Oh, breakfast was great. Absolutely delicious.
I went to be involved.
Shawna got some French toast brioche. That was very, very good.
That was so good. That was like, like if I didn't have that, I think, and I knew what it was like, I would feel bad. Like I would be sad.
Yeah, that was tasty.
It was that vanilla.
Tasty. And then I had a soft poach eggs Benny, which was fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well,
And Kayla's fries were good. We
yeah,
stacked them so much.
Like,
that's true.
I
That's
didn't
true.
like it yesterday. You were bringing it.
Hef's just about to leave here now. I was so happy to have him come down for a bit. That was sick. So we hung out last night. We just had a couple drinks, had some Taco Bell. Great stuff. How was your time in New York, dog?
It's fucking awesome. Loved it. It's great.
Man, it was so good to see you. Like, thank you so much for coming here,
Oh
dog.
gosh. That's you, bro.
Now we are going to go to Macy's, Build-A-Bear, and a couple of stores around our area. Then we're going to have supper, and then tonight is the Billy Joel concert. And I think we're going to take it kind of easy after that because we're going to be really tired because I'm already very tired. We're finally getting a bit of sleep though after the plane morning was just up at 2:30 trying to do everything all day. It was just a lot. So want to get some rest before we do tomorrow, which is going to be a really busy day. I'm watching some Gordon Ramsay while Josh is using the bathroom. We bought a couple of things over in the bags. I'll probably just do a separate New York haul. We're in Build-A-Bear, buying a bear for baby Robert. Josh has gone to the bathroom, so we're solo vlogging for him.
That was a little rude.
I literally got distracted trying to listen to her.
I'm sorry, the footage is...
That's why I told Kayla, I was like, just aim for the stuffing part.
For the baby.
I knew you had to like rub your heart, but I didn't realize you had to do the belly after anyways, because I was gonna do the bunny. The belly. It's gonna smell like cotton candy.
We got a sentimental family.
Got the bunny. Got thumper. Hearts and scents and everything done.
Okay, let's
Here you
go.
go, baby. Hello, Dad. What are you doing? This feels really close.
just had another fantastic meal. Man, it's been crazy. The atmosphere in this bar is rather nice.
And then we did what we came to New York to do, which is go see Billy Joel at Madison Square Garden.